Hello everyone, I am an intern working in Lexus and Company and I am going to present on the topic mortgage laws in India. So mortgage is a kind of security that is provided by the borrower to the lender for the purpose of securing the obligation of paying back the money or any due, or it can even be the duty the promise of a duty to fulfill. And in case if the person is unable to do so, then the lender can sell the immovable property for the purpose to get the money back. So the section 58 clause A of the Transfer of Property Act states that the mortgage is a kind of interest, especially in the immovable property, which is transferred to the from the mortgager to the mortgagee for the purpose of fulfillment of the debt or obligation. So mortgager is someone who takes the loan, and mortgagee is someone who has lended the loan. So there are 6 types of mortgage in India. First is simple mortgage. Simple mortgage is in which the mortgager binds to pay the mortgage money as per the transfer of loan documents, or even the right to sell the property is given to the mortgagee uh, until the debt is paid back. Then there is mortgage by conditional sale. It is in which the person mortgager sells the mortgage property to the mortgagee until and unless the debt is paid back. The property is with the mortgagee, and the sale becomes absolute in case the payment is not paid back. Then there is usufructory mortgage. It is in which the whole property is absolutely transferred and the mortgagee's possession is in the possession of the property, and he can even earn profits by renting for the time being, and it can be partially and or wholly applied in the debt. Then comes the English mortgage. So there is a transfer of rights from the mortgage to mortgagee until the payment of the debt, and it is retransferred on a particular date until the date is fixed prefixed from the prior. So, if the duty is fulfilled, the property rights are transferred back to the mortgager. Then comes the mortgage by deposit of title deeds. As the name says, the title is passed on from the mortgager to the mortgagee until and unless there is repayment of the uh, debt. Through deeds, the title is passed. Lastly, there is anomalous mortgage, which is neither of the above, and it can be through any other technique or means, and it is not supported under the law. So, thank you. This was the presentation for the mortgage and its kind, and the laws, law under which the mortgage is specified.